After 300 yards, bear right, B804, then go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, A89, South Circular Road.
If you see where it says live music, or you see the yellow where it says the hub, there is a roundabout coming after this corner shortly in about 200 yards. So we are going right at the roundabout. So I'm already positioning my car slightly to the right, because when I get past the hub, there will be cars parked up on the left hand side. So watch out for the cars that are parked up on the left hand side that are going to the chippy or whichever shop they are going to. So I'm already towards the right here. I'm bearing right here.
Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, A89.
And then I'm turning right at the roundabout. So I'm just going over that white line to go past this white car, checking my mirrors, middle right, signaling right. It's safe for me to be slightly here, but do be careful.
Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
So now we are going to follow the verbals. I'm going to give you verbal directions from this point onwards. So I haven't checked my mirrors, signal right. So if you forget, do put your signal on and mirrors, and check your mirrors and signal right. It is safe for me to go, so I'm going onto the roundabout, third exit, staying on the inside of the roundabout. That's my second exit on my left. I'll be checking my mirrors now, middle left, signal left, check my mirror again, moving across into the left lane, because there's going to be 2 lanes at the next roundabout. And I want to stay next to the bus stop sign, because at the Asda roundabout we are going straight ahead. So I'm in the left lane, I'm looking on the roundabout. There's a car coming across my path, I'm slowing down. And it's safe for me to go across. Second exit, checking my mirrors, middle left, signal left. Just watch my right mirror, because both the lanes at that roundabout can go straight ahead. So you've got to be careful. Once I make a video on the roundabouts, I'll be showing you how to actually navigate on these roundabouts. So I am moving to my left, because I want to take a left turn at the next roundabout, so I'm close to the bus stop lane on my left hand side. And we're turning left, so I'm checking my mirrors, middle left, signal left. Positioning my car next to the fence on my left behind this Ford vehicle. My signal went off, I put my signal back on, making sure it's safe for me to go, and I'm going straight ahead. Watching out for the crossing there, watch out for the lights whenever you see the crossings.